Hey guys, if you're looking to step up your cleaning game, this steamer right here is a must-have. If you've never used a steamer while you're cleaning, it's awesome because it actually helps kill the bacteria too. So you're not just cleaning, you're actually deep cleaning. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit about how it works. So this hose is super long, so it helps just get into any little spot that you need to, whether you're cleaning your floors or you're in the bathroom, you have that length here. This is where you'd put the water in. In the back here, you just go ahead and unscrew it, and you just pour the water right in there. It does come with a really nice container for you to put your water in, so you can pour it into there. Then you're gonna go ahead and screw it back on here. Then you're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And you have to wait a few minutes, it's gonna heat up for you. So here I'm gonna show you, there's a button here. You're just gonna push it straight up, and that's how you manually do the steam. Or if you need it to stay a little bit, there is a locking mechanism, which is gonna let it just have a continuous flow. On the side, there is an area for you to control how much steam comes out. So let me show you some of the accessories it comes with. You can do everything with this steamer. So this one right here is to help clean your floors. So what you're gonna do is it has these little clamps here, and it comes with microfiber towels. So you're gonna go ahead and just clamp those right in. Just like that. And then you're gonna attach this right to there. So you go ahead and clean floors with that. You can also attach this here to the bottom, and this helps it for if you are going to do like curtains or your rugs. When you are doing your floors, you will want to attach, it has these extenders here. So you can go ahead and attach it to make it longer so it's more like a broom. So you have really long extenders. Let me go ahead and show you how tall, how long you can make this. It's super convenient, especially if you're getting behind the toilet or if you are doing your floors. So that is awesome. And it's really easy, just switch it out. You just push the little button. You can go ahead and detach them all. Now, if you are doing like around your sink, it has this little attachment right here. You can hook that right in, same thing. And then it comes with two different circle ones here. One's a metal one and one's just a harder, firm plastic. So that's really nice if you are doing like around your sink or smaller little areas. And they just twist right on to that attachment, just like that. And this is really nice too if you're like spot cleaning your floors or something like that in your kitchen. This one's really nice for that. Then we have one more here. Let me show you. This one's a little smaller. This one's great for if you are doing like your windows or any kind of smaller flat surface, just like that. And then this comes with little microfiber, like kind of like little socks that you put right on top. There you go. And then if you are doing your windows, it has this attachment that's going to attach onto there. And on here, it's a rubber tip to it. So that way, if you are doing your windows, you kind of like squeegee it while you are steaming at the same time. This would also be really great for your shower. So go ahead and just get all that scum off your shower, make it nice and clean for you. And it just attaches just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead, my steamer is ready to go. The green light turns on whenever it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Get in here. Ooh, piece of that. So when you first turn it on, it is gonna have a little bit of water that shoots out. So just be aware of that. That's just it, getting it going. Yeah, you can see. Let me turn it. Oh, there you go. Let's turn it up for you. Yeah, so you can see how much steam actually comes out of there. So you know it's going to get the job done no matter what you're trying to clean. So if you're looking for a really great way to just step up that cleaning game and get that nice deep cleaning, this steamer right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.